Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, NPM, and a working editor. Once done, sign into Leetcode and filter for web-related problems, arrays, strings, and async patterns. Make a small project folder and duplicate a template repo to test solutions locally. Run code in a REPL or browser console to verify behavior. Make sure to timebox 30 to 60 minutes so you build momentum without burning out. This first action converts setup into immediate practice. Next, follow a repeatable workflow. Triage problems by difficulty and pick one easy plus one medium. Once chosen, read the prompt and sketch the approach. Implement a working solution and add 2-3 test cases. After tests pass, explain your approach in 3 clear sentences to solidify understanding. Then refactor for clarity and compute time and space complexity. Make sure to commit each attempt with descriptive messages so you can track progress and revisit improvements later. Finally, consolidate by reviewing problems weekly and grouping them into patterns such as sliding window or 2 pointers. Once comfortable, convert solutions into tiny web utilities or components to see practical impact. If a solution fails, isolate the failing case, reproduce with minimal input, and add console logs to inspect variables step by step. Make sure to rerun tests after each change. If errors persist, rubber duck your logic or step back to a simpler example to pinpoint the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.